got an announcement.
We've got a really exciting announcement.
Really huge, big announcement.
We're going live again. Secret Mum Club Live is coming to London, Bush Hall,
Wednesday the 20th of May.
We're excited.
For one night only. One night only.
That's
you can
all
see
we
us.
have to give.
I don't know that we could do more than one. Do
No.
you? But we're excited.
We're so excited. Tickets are on sale
Now. You can literally buy them now.
We'd love to see as many of you as possible. It was a riot last time. It's going to be even bigger this time. We can't wait.
It is bigger, isn't it?
It is. We're a little bit scared,
I'm
but mostly excited.
mostly excited, but I'm a little bit nervous. But yes, it's bigger, it's better. And if you want to come along,
It's going to be great. Link is in our bio. Get tickets now.